All right. Welcome to the field, guys. A lot's changed in the last 6 months. If you've been with me for a while now, you've seen that I've been posting pretty much every day, which is a huge change instead of once, every 100 days or so. A lot's changed in the last 6 months, mostly because I've had the chance to return to what it means to me to be human. I'm not a machine anymore. I'm not just chasing production deadlines. I'm not just trying to get as much done as possible. I'm not just chasing after every dollar. I'm stopping and spending time with my kids. I'm taking moments to sit outside. And I thought that I would lose everything I worked for by living like this. But what I found is the opposite happened. Let me rewind this a little bit. A year ago, I was in the middle of my master's research thesis on artificial intelligence. Oh, it is so smoky right now, my eyes are watering. But it'll make me appreciate going inside more. So I'm doing my research on artificial intelligence, and I went into my research thinking what everyone else had been thinking, which is everyone's worried that artificial intelligence is becoming more and more like human. But what I realized during my research is that the opposite is also true. We humans are becoming more and more like machines. And that is a huge problem. What I realized was if you took my day, my life, and you filmed it and you went at 100 times speed, you kind of sped it up, what you would see is that I'm a machine. I'm doing the same things over and over repetitively. And when you're living like that, you make yourself very easy to replace by machine. So I realized there's got to be something else, right? There's got to be another way to live and to be, to embrace what is uniquely human to each person. And I realized while I was experimenting with this and playing around with it and enjoying it, what I realized is it made me harder for AI to replace. So the more I embraced my humanness, my individuality, my quirks, my imperfections, that itself became a selling point. It became a strength. It became something that hang my hat on it, a lantern. And I was pleasantly surprised by that. So that's my main thesis. My main thesis is that with artificial intelligence becoming more and more like humans, what we humans need to do is to become more human and to resist the urge to fall into that machine mechanized repetitive behavior pattern. Because it's not helpful and it makes us infinitely replaceable. It makes us so easy to be replaced.
If you want to become a better human and make it impossible for machines to replace you, check out my book, link below.